Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 25th of March 2019. Okay guys, I am going to start today's discussion from New Zealand USD. This is the first pair of the today's report and I am going to talk about this pair. So let's move towards the signals report. So New Zealand USD with a bullish expectation from 068860 and 069337 was the target price. However, you can see we have seen a slight upward, very good upward trend on this pair, and I congratulate all traders who have taken the buy positions on this pair. They must have ended with profits. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. Okay guys, basically my signal was bullish and the entry was 132044 and the market went up to 132484, and after that we have seen that 25% of the signal was hit, and after that the bearish pin was appeared on the chart. You can see this is the bearish pin and after that it is dropping. So guys, if it breaks the lower level, I'm just going to point out here 131615, then it will be into the bearish zone. So selling opportunities should be find on Great Britain Pound USD. Overall, the signal was satisfied like 25%. Now let's talk about USDJPY. Okay guys, this signal hasn't expired at the moment because USDJPY was slow today. I have supplied the bullish trend from 110080 and 110904 is the target price. So guys, this signal stays valid till the US session. So if you will find that USDJPY is going up, then it can test 110904. Now I am completely bullish on USDJPY. Now let's talk about AUDUSD. So guys, my signal was bullish in case of AUDUSD. 070871 was the entry and 071337 is the target price. However, you can see we have seen a very good few hours upward trend on AUDUSD, and I congratulate those traders who have taken the buy positions. They must have closed the trades with profits. Now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar. So guys, my signal is bearish on USD Canadian dollar. So it just came into the entry and I'm giving the signal here. The 134176 is the entry that I have provided in the morning. And if it keeps the drop, then the market can go up to 133437. The levels are already drawn on the chart. So I'm expecting a drop on this pair. At last, I'm going to talk about the EURJPY. The levels are a bit disturbed here. Okay. However, the entry was 123440 and I'm expecting the upward trend up to 125663. So it has slightly came into our zone, but if it continues the bullish trend, then guys, it can go up to 125663. So overall, I'm bullish on EURJPY. Okay, now let's talk about the trading system. You can see that the three indicators are attached on the chart and how to use them. This is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. So whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and if it is giving the bearish signal, I mean whenever it starts making the bearish pattern from the top red boundary, you can sell the pair. Look, the pair is down, and whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and if it starts making the bullish momentum, like look at here, the market started to make a bullish momentum, then you can buy the pair. If the scalper gives you the white signal in the form of white arrow at the oversold levels as per the other indicator, then you can buy the pair, and if it gives the sell signal at the top red boundary, then you can use the pair for the selling confirmation. Okay, now look at here. For example, let's take this example. At the overbought levels, scalper has provided you with a red arrow, and look, the pair was down, and when it goes into the lower red boundary and if you see that the market is making the bullish pattern, then you can buy the pair, and this is how we use this trading system. Whenever the price monitor gives the green signal, it means it's in the buying zone. When it turns into red, it means into the selling zone, and this is how we use the indicators. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.